The innovations in the motorcycle tires technology are constantly happening, which is the reason we see new tire patterns coming up by leading tire makers. These modern tread designs are a result of rigorous research and testing by expert tire engineers. These days, the consumers who seek to change their bike tires look for special features, robust construction, grip, and long life. All this at an economical price tag. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best motorcycle tires and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Bridgestone Battlax RS11. The Bridgestone Battlax is a track-focused, street-legal tire engineered for aggressive riders seeking maximum performance. Designed with cutting-edge technology, it delivers race-level grip while maintaining street usability. One of its standout features is the VMS belt construction, which enhances stability at high speeds, ensuring confidence-inspiring performance on both the track and fast canyon roads. Additionally, its asymmetrical tread pattern optimizes braking stability and improves cornering grip, especially under extreme lean angles. This design allows riders to push their limits with precision handling and superior feedback. The RS11 warms up quickly, reducing the need for excessive tire prep before spirited rides. Its soft, race-inspired compound delivers outstanding traction, allowing riders to fully exploit their bike's capabilities. However, this same compound results in a high wear rate, making the RS11 less suitable for daily commuting or extended touring. Riders should expect a shorter lifespan compared to sport touring tires, especially when ridden aggressively. While the RS11 excels in dry conditions, it is not ideal for cold weather or heavy rain. The lack of deep grooves limits its ability to channel water effectively, reducing wet weather grip compared to touring-oriented tires. Riders who frequently encounter varying weather conditions may want to consider a more versatile tire. Overall, the Bridgestone Battlax RS11 is an excellent choice for those who demand near-race performance from a street-legal tire. Its superior handling, quick warm-up, and high-speed stability make it perfect for track days and spirited canyon carving. However, its soft compound and high wear rate mean it is best suited for performance-oriented riders rather than commuters or long-distance tourers. If ultimate grip and responsiveness are your priorities, the RS11 remains one of the best options available. Number 4. Metzeler Karoo. 4. The Metzeler Karoo 4 is a premium 50/50 dual sport tire designed for riders who split their time between asphalt and off-road terrain. As an evolution of the well-regarded Karoo 3, this latest iteration incorporates several key improvements that enhance its performance across a variety of conditions. One of the standout features of the Karoo 4 is its adaptive tread pattern, which is engineered to optimize traction on loose surfaces such as gravel, dirt, and mud. The redesigned tread blocks offer better self-cleaning properties, allowing the tire to shed debris more efficiently and maintain grip in challenging environments. This makes the Karoo 4 a solid choice for adventure riders who frequently venture into off-road trails and unpaved roads. Metzeler has also introduced a newly developed rubber compound that significantly improves wet weather traction. This advancement enhances confidence when riding in unpredictable conditions, as the tire provides superior grip on both wet pavement and damp off-road surfaces. Additionally, the Karoo 4 exhibits better stability and reduced vibration on paved roads compared to many other knobby off-road tires. The result is a more refined riding experience, with improved cornering performance and enhanced control at higher speeds. However, like all dual sport tires, the Karoo 4 comes with some compromises. While it offers excellent off-road capability and respectable on-road manners, it won't match the longevity of pure street-oriented adventure tires. Additionally, the aggressive tread pattern can generate noticeable road noise at highway speeds, which some riders may find distracting. Despite these trade-offs, the Metzeler Karoo 4 remains an excellent choice for adventure motorcyclists who demand a versatile tire capable of tackling both rugged trails and paved roads. Its balance of performance, durability, and traction makes it a top contender in the 50/50 tire category. Number 3. Dunlop Roadsmart 4. For long-distance riders who demand durability, comfort, and year-round performance, The Dunlop Roadsmart 4 stands out as one of the top touring tires available. Designed with multi-tread technology, it features a wear-resistant center for longevity and softer side compounds for improved grip during cornering. This combination ensures a stable and confident ride, whether cruising on highways or tackling winding roads. The Roadsmart FE's optimized carcass design enhances stability and shock absorption, making for a smoother ride even on rough or uneven surfaces. This is especially beneficial for riders who spend long hours in the saddle and need a tire that reduces fatigue while maintaining consistent performance. One of its strongest attributes is its exceptional wet weather capability. Deep tread grooves effectively channel water away, reducing the risk of hydroplaning and improving grip on wet surfaces. This makes it a reliable choice for riders who frequently encounter unpredictable weather conditions. In terms of longevity, the Roadsmart 4 outperforms many competitors, offering excellent mileage without sacrificing performance. Its extended lifespan makes it an ideal option for those who prioritize durability over outright sportiness. While it delivers solid sport-oriented handling, it lacks the aggressive turn-in feel of a dedicated sport tire. However, for riders who favor relaxed touring and highway cruising, this trade-off is well worth it. Ultimately, the Dunlop Roadsmart 4 is a premium choice for touring enthusiasts seeking a balance of long-lasting wear, comfort, and dependable performance in all conditions. Whether navigating dry highways or rain-soaked roads, it remains a trustworthy companion for extensive journeys. Number 2. Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4. The Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 is a top-tier hyper-sport tire designed for aggressive riders and occasional track enthusiasts. Engineered for high-performance sport bikes, it delivers outstanding grip, precise handling, and excellent road feedback. Its bi-compound construction features a harder center for extended longevity and softer edges for superior traction at deep lean angles. The signature Flash trademark tread pattern not only enhances the tire's aggressive aesthetic, but also improves water evacuation, boosting confidence in wet conditions. However, its primary focus remains on delivering maximum dry grip, making it a favorite among riders who demand sharp cornering response and high-speed stability. One of the standout features of the Diablo Rosso 4 is its quick warm-up time. Unlike some high-performance tires that require extensive heating to reach optimal grip levels, this tire is ready to perform almost immediately. This ensures riders can extract peak performance from the get-go, whether carving through twisty roads or attacking corners on a track day. Despite its exceptional handling characteristics, the Diablo Rosso 4 does come with trade-offs. Its softer compound, while providing phenomenal traction, results in a shorter lifespan compared to touring-focused tires. Riders who cover high mileage may find themselves replacing it more frequently. Additionally, while its wet weather performance is competent, it's not the ideal choice for heavy rain or prolonged wet conditions. Overall, the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 is a premium option for riders who prioritize performance over longevity. It excels in aggressive riding scenarios, offering razor-sharp response and stability at high speeds. Suppose you're a sport bike rider looking for a tire that maximizes grip and handling while maintaining a balance of usability. In that case, the Diablo Rosso 4 is a standout choice in the hypersport category. Number 1. Michelin Road 6. The Michelin Road 6 is an outstanding sport touring tire engineered for riders who seek a perfect blend of performance, longevity, and comfort. Building on the success of the Road 5, it offers 15% better wet grip and a 10% longer lifespan, making it a top choice for all-season riding. At the core of its performance is Michelin's 2CT Plus dual compound technology, featuring a harder center for enhanced durability and softer edges for superior cornering grip. This ensures excellent traction, whether you're cruising on highways or carving through twisty mountain roads. Silica rain technology further enhances wet weather performance, providing confidence-inspiring grip in rainy conditions. Michelin's Radial X Evo construction improves stability, reduces road vibrations, and enhances shock absorption, delivering a smoother, more controlled ride. The innovative water-dispersing tread pattern significantly shortens braking distances, further boosting safety on wet roads. Designed for long-distance touring and spirited road riding, the Road 6 offers precise handling and excellent feedback, allowing riders to push their limits without compromising stability. While its premium price may be a consideration, its durability and all-weather reliability make it a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best in performance and longevity. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.